Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Nhlanhla Lux. The Operation Dudula lead Nhlanhla Lux Dlamini is reportedly being sued by Vertex Events for over 600,000 rands for promoting his aviation company. The Events has filed papers in Johannesburg High Court demanding that Dlamini and his company Native Airways pay for promoting his aviation company at a June 16 event in 2015. The entrepreneur Nhlanhla Lux Dlamini, who is the leader of Operation Dudula, has reportedly failed to pay an events company Vertex Events over 600,000 rands. An article in the Sunday World has alleged that the Johannesburg Events firm promoted Dlamini's company at the Youth Day event 7 years ago. Vertex Events has now filed papers in the Johannesburg High Court after he failed to honor their oral agreement. They promoted his aviation company Native Airways at a June 16 event in 2015 and were supposed to pay within 30 days of the days the invoice was issued. The papers by Vertex Event lawyers Bazooka and Company stated, on or about 28 May 2015, Vertex Events, represented by its director Tato Newell, and Native Airways, represented by Lux, who was then known as Nhlanhla Mohlauli, entered into an oral agreement to pay more than 697,000 rands plus 14% VAT tax to Vertex Events as sponsorship fee to organize the 2015 Youth Day celebration. Native Airways has to date failed to pay the sponsorship fee of 697,942 to Vertex Events in accordance with the agreement. While I think this event company is just seeking for attention now that Nhlanhla Lux is trending for all the right reasons. They just want to tarnish his name. Such event company doesn't know that when you are doing a business, you sign a contract, not a verbal one. What's your take on this one, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.